How to use eraser, scissors, and knife tool. To use eraser tool, press Shift+E on your keyboard and use the square brackets either to increase or decrease the size. Eraser tool is used in removing paths or shapes to form new shapes or segments. To use scissors tool, click on C on the keyboard. It is used in cutting paths at anchor points or along segments. Cut along the path with scissors tool to split the shape. To use knife tool, select knife tool. Knife tool is used in cutting shapes into multiple shapes, just like scissors tool.